Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to PHP Functions. This is Introduction. We can think of programs as a series of instructions to be performed by the computer. So far in each of our PHP programs, each step has been explicitly laid out in the order we want it to happen. Sometimes we'll have a group of actions we want to repeat in a program. In these situations, we could copy and paste the lines of code we want to run again, but this isn't very efficient. Instead, we should use functions. A function is a set of instructions we package as a unit, often with a name, so that we can reuse it. We define a function by writing out the series of steps that should happen whenever we use the function. To use the function, we call or invoke it. In this lesson, we're going to start learning the syntax for defining and invoking PHP functions. We'll start with simpler functions and work our way to more complex ones. If this is your first time working with functions, it can feel like a big jump. Take your time and be patient with yourself. Instructions. Take a look at the video. It shows how much simpler we can make a recipe by providing a single word to represent a set of instructions, e.g. chop. Let's look at that. Here we have a simple salad recipe. Let's play this. So here, as it said, we're able to make a recipe by providing a single word to represent a set of instructions, which we saw play out. So being able to represent all that 30-second long video with one word is very powerful, and we'll learn how to do that through functions in the next lessons. I'll see you there when you're ready.